Welcome to the best picks. The best Sangtai 6168 is probably one of the most sought-after clock replacement movements on the market, offering a perfect blend of quality, affordability, and ease of installation. In this video, we will deep dive into this product, exploring its features, benefits, and everything you need to know before making a purchase decision, so you can confidently breathe new life into your cherished timepiece. Number 5. Quartz Clock Movement Kit. It boasts a total shaft length of about 18 mm and a thread length of roughly 12.2 mm. This jump-second movement is perfect for clock panels between 4 to 8 mm thick. The hour hands measure approximately 68 mm and 92 mm, while the minute hands are around 66 mm and 95 mm. The second hand is about 100 mm long. Installing it is a breeze. Its simple and elegant design makes it suitable for various clock styles. Just ensure you choose the right size bezel. It's ideal for a range of projects, including cross-stitch clocks, 3D embroidery clocks, and other DIY quartz wall clocks. Before purchasing, double-check the dimensions. During installation, keep the hour and minute hands parallel and avoid excessive pressure to prevent bending. What we like. It's incredibly quiet, making it perfect for bedrooms or offices. The simple design makes installation a breeze, even for beginners. If you're crafting a unique clock for any space, this is the movement for you. What people say. Easy to fix my clock. Lots of choices for hands on the clock. Hands are a press fit and easy to install. Second hand works. It comes in a nice little zipper case, but this one is just the mechanism without any hands. The minute and seconds hands fit perfectly and the unit clipped right back into the slot from the old mechanism. I did adjust the cover on the clock slightly to ensure it cleared the seconds hand, but it's been running accurately for about a month now with no noticeable loss or gain in time. Number 4. TIKROUND 12888 Clock Movement. This is the TIKROUND 12888 clock movement, perfect for repairing or creating your own unique timepiece. It's easy to install and comes with everything you need. It features a long spindle, ideal for clocks with hands ranging from 10 mm to 450 mm. This makes it suitable for a wide variety of clock styles and sizes. Installation is straightforward. Just ensure the hour and minute hands are parallel when you insert them, and avoid applying excessive pressure. This kit is perfect for DIY enthusiasts. It's a great solution for repairing broken clocks or building your own custom clock from scratch. The kit includes the clock movement, hands, a hook, mounting hardware, and instructions. Everything you need is right in the box. It's designed to work with clock panels between 1 to 3 mm thick, ensuring a secure and stable fit for your project. What we like. This movement is great for larger clocks thanks to its long spindle. It comes with everything you need to get started, including hands and hardware. If you are a DIY enthusiast and want a hassle-free experience, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It was easy to assemble and worked perfectly after installing on my old clock. The directions are well written and easy to follow. It comes with several different options for hour and minute hands, so you can select the ones that are the correct length for your clock. I also like that each hour and minute hand have one side that is black and the other side that is silver. So you can decide which color works best with the clock you are fixing. Perfect replacement for a clock that stopped working. Be sure to carefully measure how long of a stem is needed to fit through the clock. It was easy to install and works great. Ease of putting it into existing clock or make your own. Has different size hands to fix multiple applications. Put in a battery, set the time and it does the rest. Keeps accurate time. Number 3. Clock Movement Mechanism. This is a versatile clock movement mechanism, perfect for DIY enthusiasts and clock repair. It's easy to install and comes with everything you need to get started. It features a long spindle with a metal hook for secure mounting. This ensures a reliable and stable clock movement. Choose from 3 different pairs of hands to customize the look of your clock. This allows for a unique and personalized design. The shaft is 0.79 inches long, and the movement is designed for clock panels between 0.16 and 0.31 inches thick. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of clock styles. It's ideal for various clock types, from cross-stitch clocks to frameless clocks. It's perfect for repairing, replacing, or building your own clock. Remember to install it gently, especially the aluminum parts, to avoid bending. With this simple mechanism, you can easily upgrade or repair your clock. What we like. It offers 3 different hand styles to match your clock's aesthetic. This makes it suitable for a variety of clock designs and personal preferences. If you like options and want to customize your clock's look, this is the one for you. What people say. Works great, has many handle options. Easy to do but gave us many options for the clock hands. So far it works well. Keeps time accurately. Number 2. Quartz clock movement mechanism. Is your clock ticking its last? This replacement mechanism is perfect for a quick and simple fix. It's the perfect solution for DIY clock enthusiasts. From cross-stitch clocks to 3D embroidery clocks, it fits many styles. It's compatible with various clock types, making it a versatile repair part. Made from high-quality ABS material, it's built to last. Enjoy a long-lasting, accurate timekeeping experience. This simple mechanism is easy to install. Just replace your old movement and you're set. Get back to enjoying your clock in minutes. With its compact size of 2.2 by 2.2 by 0.6 inches, it's easy to store and handle. It's the ideal solution for your clock repair needs. Remember, it doesn't come with a hook, so you'll need to provide your own hanging solution. Requires 1 AA battery, not included. What we like. Its small size makes it ideal for smaller clock projects. The ABS material ensures long-lasting use. If you are on a budget and need a reliable movement, this is a great option. What people say. Fit correctly, works well. Perfect fit and working fine. The description did not mention the original movement part number like some competing units, but it did have a picture with every important dimension given exactly. That gave me the confidence to order this unit rather than others. I have just installed the movement. It fit perfectly. The clock is back on the wall and seems to be keeping good time. Number 1. Quartz clock movement. This is the perfect solution for repairing or building your own custom clock. It's easy to install and will give your clock a new lease on life. With its small size of 2.2 by 2.2 by 0.6 inches, it fits easily into most clock frames. It's the ideal replacement for your old clock mechanism. The shafts have precise diameters, hour shaft 0.29 inches, minute shaft 0.21 inches, and second shaft 0.14 inches. Make sure your clock central shaft is 5 mm and the dial plate is less than 4 mm thick for compatibility. Installation is a breeze. Just use the hexagon screw to secure it. It's designed for easy DIY projects. Made from high-quality materials, it's built to last. Enjoy years of reliable timekeeping. This movement is powered by a single AA battery, not included, making it simple and convenient to use. Just pop in a battery and you're ready to go. Whether you're repairing an old clock or creating a unique new design, this movement is perfect for your next DIY project. Unleash your creativity. What we like. It provides accurate timekeeping and is easy to set up. The simple design is dependable and easy to maintain. If you prioritize accuracy and simplicity in a clock movement, this is the best choice for you. What people say. Easy to install. We took a chance to repair our favorite living room clock and it worked. Our 12 and 10 clock hands were larger than recommended for the mechanism, but it is working well. Installed this in an old clock and it works perfectly and, of all things, on time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.